In this video, we're going to talk about the CO process options and your rights and responsibilities when serving as a witness in a CO investigation. Let's begin. First, who is CO and what do they do? The Office of Compliance, Ethics, and Equal Opportunity, or CO, is the Civil Rights and Compliance Office at UNM. CO's job is to respond to and at times investigate reports of discrimination or harassment based on a person's civil rights protected status as recognized by university policy, state, and federal law. CO has jurisdiction, or in other words, the authority to act over staff, faculty, students, and its affiliates at all UNM campuses and other contracted agencies. Discrimination is conduct based on a protected status or class that excludes a person from participation in, denies the benefits of, treats the person differently than similarly situated individuals who are not in the protected class, or otherwise adversely affects the terms or condition of the person's employment, education, living environment, or participation in a UNM program or activity. Harassment and differential treatment are also forms of discrimination. A protected status is a trait or association recognized by law or policy as protected against unlawful discrimination. Under UNM Policy 2720, race, color, religion, national origin, ancestry, physical or mental disability, age for those aged 40 and older, sex and gender, sexual orientation, gender identity and expression, pregnancy, veteran status, spousal affiliation, serious medical condition, and genetic information are recognized as protected statuses at UNM. CO also addresses allegations of sexual misconduct under UNM Policy 2740, which includes sexual harassment, stalking, dating violence, domestic violence, and sexual assault. Failure to report civil rights or sexual harassment concerns and retaliation are also matters addressed by CO. CO is a neutral, independent, and impartial entity. This means that CO does not advocate for complainants, the people filing a complaint with CO, respondents, people responding to a CO complaint, witnesses, or even UNM. CO's role is to inform individuals about their rights and responsibilities and gather information as it relates to a civil rights or sexual harassment claim. CO is the only UNM office tasked with investigating civil rights claims. Unless the matter regards an alleged failure to report civil rights or sexual harassment concerns, CO does not determine policy violations. In the event of a formal investigation, UNM's hearing office may conduct an administrative hearing to determine if university policy has been violated. CO does not share information they obtain with others unless there is a legitimate reason to do so or to the extent that state and federal law allow. However, CO cannot guarantee confidentiality or afford anonymity to those who participate in the CO process. This is because CO's investigative information can be obtained through an Inspection of Public Records Act or IPA request or subpoena. These matters are addressed by the Office of University Counsel, or OUC. The Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, or FERPA, provides additional protections to student records. Under FERPA, CO cannot share information in a student's record unless they have written consent or the matter regards an exception such as an imminent threat to campus safety or another legitimate educational interest. CO processes are voluntary. Therefore, you are not obligated to provide a statement or respond to CO outreach. However, it is important to know that anything individuals share with a CO employee could potentially become part of an investigatory record or be independently investigated by CO. CO reserves the right to investigate matters reported to them, regardless of whether a party wishes to participate. If you choose to provide a statement to CO, CO will prepare a confirmation of witness statement or COWS. Once it is ready, the investigator will email you a copy for your review. CO must evaluate jurisdictional elements of a case, so the investigator may not redact information requested. However, you may clarify or add information to your statement after it is given. You will have 2 business days to review your statement. After the 2 business days, or after edits have been made, the statement will become part of the investigative record. If the case is sent to the UNM hearing office, they may contact you and request your participation. CO staff are trauma informed, and for this reason will not report potential criminal activity disclosed in a CO investigation to law enforcement unless CO is made aware of certain circumstances that require CO to make a report. For example, an imminent threat to campus safety or suspected abuse or neglect of a minor child. UNM maintains a policy of offering parties and witnesses amnesty from minor policy violations, such as underage consumption of alcohol or the use of other illicit drugs related to the incident. Amnesty does not apply to more serious allegations, such as physical abuse of another or illicit drug distribution. All participants in the CO process are protected from retaliation. If you believe you experienced an adverse employment or academic action for participating in a protected civil rights activity, please let CO know as soon as possible. Protected civil rights activities include participating in a CO process, making a good faith report of discrimination or harassment, defending against discrimination or harassment, or making an external report of discrimination or harassment. CO may look into the report as a separate investigative matter. If they haven't done so already, the CO investigator will provide you a witness disclosure form summarizing the information you should know before providing a statement. Thank you for watching this informational video. If you have any questions about the CO process, please direct them to your assigned investigator.